I tested every chemical toilet cleaner. Here's what actually works. Today we're taking toilet cleaning to the next level. In the last video, I tested 10 natural ingredients from baking soda to Coca-Cola, and the results were shocking. But natural cleaners can only do so much. So now it's time to bring out the heavy hitters, the store-bought chemical cleaners that promise instant shine, zero stains, and 99.9% germ removal. But do they actually work? Do they really clean better than home remedies? Or are they just clever marketing hiding behind strong smells and fancy bottles? That's exactly what we're about to find out. Today, I'm testing 6 powerful toilet cleaners, each one different, each one dangerous in its own way, and each one claiming to be the best. From thick blue gels and bleach-based liquids, to strong acids and even those mysterious miracle powders you keep seeing on TikTok, I'm not holding back. No sponsorships, no sugarcoating, just real results. Honest, brutal, and right in front of the camera. So grab your gloves, because this is about to get intense. Let's begin. PART2, Harpic Lysol Toilet Cleaner. Our first challenger is one of the most popular toilet cleaners in the world, Harpic or Lysol in some countries. The moment I open the bottle, that strong, sharp smell hits instantly. It's S powerful. Almost too powerful, but that S how you know it means business. I squeeze the bottle and the thick blue liquid slides down the sides of the bowl like paint. It sticks perfectly. No dripping, no running, just a heavy coat of cleaner wrapping around every stain. The color starts to deepen as it reacts with the surface. I can almost see it working in real time. I leave it for 10 minutes, and when I come back, the bowl looks different. The yellow stains are already lighter. Even before scrubbing, the surface looks cleaner. I grab the brush and start scrubbing, and wow, the texture is smooth, slick, and heavy. It feels like the brush is slicing through grime with zero effort. After a full scrub, I flush. Deep blue water swirls around the bowl, then clears, and what's left is impressive. Bright, shiny, fresh. Harpic delivers exactly what it promises. Fast stain removal, strong smell control, and a clean shine. But is it the strongest one? Not yet. Because next, we're bringing out the bleach-based monsters, the ones that claim to kill everything. Part 3, Clorox Domex, Bleach-based Cleaner. Now it's time for the cleaner that almost everyone fears a little. Bleach, powerful, sharp, and absolutely unforgiving. Clorox, Domex, and other bleach-based toilet cleaners promise one thing: total destruction of germs and stains. No mercy, no survivors. I open the bottle, and the smell hits instantly. That strong chlorine punch fills the entire bathroom in seconds. It's intense, not pleasant, but undeniably powerful. I pour a generous amount around the bowl, and unlike Harpic's thick gel, bleach flows quickly, aggressively. It spreads fast, running across the stains like it's hunting them. The reaction is immediate. The yellow rings begin to fade before I even touch the brush. It's like watching ink dissolve in water. Slow, smooth, but unstoppable. I step back and let it sit for 10 minutes. When I return, the bowl looks almost ghostly. The colors are lighter, the surface brighter. Bleach doesn't just clean, it strips. It removes color, smell, bacteria, everything. I start scrubbing and it's effortless. The brush glides because there's barely anything left to fight against. Every swirl lifts up what's left of the grime. Then comes the flush. White foamy water swirls violently, and when it clears, the toilet looks sterile, bright, sharp, almost hospital-level clean. But here's the truth. Bleach cleans fast, faster than almost anything. But it has downsides. The smell is extremely strong. It can damage skin, clothes, even the toilet surface if used too often. And mixing bleach with other cleaners is dangerous. Bleach is powerful, but it's not something you should use every day. Still, in pure cleaning strength, it's near the top. But next, we're testing something smoother. Something with precision. Something made specifically to reach deep stains under the rim. Get ready for Toilet Duck. Mr. Muscle Toilet Gel, the smart-shaped bottle cleaner that claims to outperform the rest. Part 4. Toilet Duck, Mr. Muscle Toilet Gel. Now it's time for a cleaner that comes with a special design, a curved neck bottle built to reach places your brush usually misses. Toilet Duck or Mr. Muscle Toilet Gel. This one isn't just a cleaner, it's a strategy. I open the bottle and immediately notice the scent. Not as chemical as bleach, not as sharp as Harpic. It's smoother, fresher. Almost like a bathroom air freshener mixed with a cleaner. That already feels promising. I flip the bottle upside down and slide the curved nozzle under the rim. This is where the magic is. Most stains hide right under the rim, dark, sticky, and hard to reach. But this gel squeezes right into the shadows. A thick, glossy stream of gel coats the entire upper ring in one slow motion. It's satisfying to watch. Smooth, heavy, perfect. No dripping, no running away. This stuff clings like glue. The gel begins to settle, forming a shiny blue layer around the bowl. Unlike bleach, it doesn't move fast. It sits, melts, and slowly breaks down everything under it. I let it rest for 10 minutes. When I come back, the bowl looks darker in a good way. The gel has dissolved into a deep blue sheet, and the stains underneath have softened. It's like the cleaner melted straight into the grime. I start scrubbing, and instantly I feel the difference. It's thick. It's slick. The brush grabs onto the softened stains and pulls them off with almost no pressure. Every stroke feels productive. You can literally feel the dirt coming loose. Even under the rim, the hardest part, the gel worked quietly and perfectly. Those dark spots start disappearing one brush at a time. Now for the flush. The blue gel mixes with the swirl, creating a glossy wave that leaves behind a shiny, polished bowl. Not just clean, polished. This is what makes Toilet Duck and Mr. Muscle different. Thick gel sticks better than liquid. Curved neck bottle reaches hidden areas. It cleans deep without the bleach smell. Leaves a glossy shine, not just a white surface. It's not the strongest chemical in raw power. Bleach still wins that fight. But for smart cleaning, underrim cleaning, and weekly maintenance, this one might just be the smartest option. But the test isn't over yet. Next, we're moving to something everyone knows. A cleaner most people keep in their kitchen or bathroom cabinet. Vim Gel or Dettol liquid cleaner. It's gentle, it smells good, and it claims to kill 99.9% germs. But can it compete with the big boys? Let's find out. Art 5 Vim Gel Dettol liquid cleaner. Now we're moving from harsh chemicals to something a little more familiar. Something people trust. Something people use every day without fear. Vim Gel or Dettol liquid cleaner. These cleaners have one job. Keep your home clean without that scary chemical smell. Safe, simple, and effective. That's the promise. But does that promise hold up inside a toilet bowl? Let's find out. I open the bottle and instantly the smell hits. Fresh, lemony, clean. Not intimidating, not strong. Just pleasantly refreshing. The kind of smell you'd want in your bathroom every day. I pour a generous amount around the bowl, and the liquid flows smoothly. It's not as thick as Toilet Duck Gel, not as heavy as Harpic, and definitely not as aggressive as bleach. It's gentle, light, almost silky. As it spreads, it forms a thin layer on the ceramic surface. No fizzing, no harsh reactions. Just a calm, steady, clean. But here's the interesting part. The stains start softening anyway, slowly but clearly. Especially the yellow surface stains and the lighter marks around the waterline. I let it sit. When I return 10 minutes later, the bowl looks brighter. Not dramatically white like bleach, but naturally clean. I start scrubbing, and the brush glides easily. There's no resistance, no grit. The surface feels smoother with every stroke. As I scrub, the lemon scent fills the room even more. It doesn't burn your eyes, it doesn't choke your throat, it just smells like cleanliness. I flush, and the swirl of water turns slightly soapy, sliding down gently. When it clears, the result is simple, clean, fresh, safe. Not overly bright, not chemically bleached, not aggressively stripped. Just clean. That's the strength of Vim and Dettol. They're not trying to dominate the toilet. They're made for daily use. Gentle maintenance and safe cleaning without fumes. They kill bacteria, remove smell, and handle everyday stains easily. But heavy mineral buildup, deep brown lines, rust. Those require something stronger. Which brings us to the next test. The most dangerous cleaner in this entire lineup. The one people warn you about. The one you have to use carefully. The one that can burn through stains and surfaces. Thick acid cleaner. This is not a joke. This is not a toy. This is the strongest cleaner in the entire store. And today, I'm putting it to the test. Part 6. Thick acid cleaner, local strong acid. The most intense, dangerous, and shocking test of the entire video. If every cleaner so far felt like a tool, this one feels like a weapon. A thick acid toilet cleaner. The kind sold in plain bottles with minimal labels, maximum warnings, and a smell that tells you instantly, don't breathe too close. People online call it miracle acid. Shopkeepers whisper, Sir Zara. Carefully use Karna, and users swear it can make any toilet look new again. But is it worth the risk? And more importantly, does it actually work? Let's find out. I open the cap, and even though I'm standing back, the fumes rush out. It's sharp, stings the nose. You can feel it before you even smell it. This isn't lemon fresh. This isn't pine. This is raw, industrial level strength. I tilt the bottle very slowly. The liquid pours out thick, dark, and heavy, almost like syrup made of acid. The moment it touches the surface, something happens. The stains don't just soften, they react. There's a faint hiss, a light bubbling, a chemical whisper, not loud, but powerful. You can see the action. This is no casual cleaner. This is chemical warfare. The brown mineral lines, the ones Harpic failed to remove, the ones bleach only lightened, start dissolving like chalk under water. And this is only after a few seconds. I decide to step back, because with acid this strong, you don't take chances. 5 minutes pass. Just 5, I return, and the bowl looks shockingly different. The yellow layer is gone. The hard water crust is breaking down. The dark brown ridge at the back fading like it was never there. This is the kind of cleaner that doesn't clean, it erases. Now comes the scary part, the scrub test. The brush touches the bowl and the stains slide off instantly. Not with effort, not with force, just off. It feels unreal. Like the toilet isn't resisting anymore, like the surface surrendered completely. But there's a catch. As I scrub, I notice something else. The surface feels too smooth, almost slippery. Acid doesn't just remove stains. It can slowly remove the top layer of ceramic too. One use is okay, but frequent use, that's how bowls get permanently damaged, lose their shine, or even start cracking over time. I flush and the water runs down crystal clear. The bowl looks almost brand new. Best cleaning so far? Yes. Safest. Not even close. This cleaner is like fire. Use it carefully, rarely, and with respect, or it will burn more than just stains. But we're not done. There's one more commercial product that people swear by. A miracle powder, viral on TikTok, cheap, colorful, and extremely mysterious. Some say it whitens instantly. Some say it's just scented chalk. Some say it's dangerous. Time to find out the truth. Part 7, Toilet Cleaning Powder, TikTok Miracle Powder, the most overhyped, mysterious, and confusing product of all. This is the cleaner that breaks the internet every few months. You've seen it. Bright packets, random brand names, flashy colors, and influencers pouring it dramatically into dirty toilets while saying, "Watch the magic." People call it miracle powder. Some say it whitens anything. Some say it's just perfume and detergent. Some say it's secretly acid. No ingredients listed, no instructions, just claims. So today I'm done wondering. Let's actually test it. I tear the packet open and the smell hits instantly. It's strong, artificial, like someone mixed detergent, perfume, and chalk together. It's not bad, but it smells too good for a miracle cleaner. I pour a handful inside the bowl. Nothing. No reaction, no fizz, no foam, no bubbling. Just colorful powder sinking to the bottom like sand. I wait. Still nothing. So I do what all viral videos do next. Add water. The moment the water hits the powder, a wave of white foam erupts. Not aggressive, not chemical, just a thick scented soap foam spreading across the bowl. And suddenly, I understand the hype. It looks dramatic. It feels powerful. It makes the toilet look like something is happening. But the real question is anything actually happening? After 5 minutes, I take the brush and start scrubbing. The foam gives a good slip. The bowl becomes easy to brush. But the moment I reach the dark brown hard water line, nothing. The stain stares back at me like, "Nice try." I scrub harder. Still nothing. The powder smells nice. The foam looks impressive. But deep cleaning? Zero. It only cleans the top layer. Dust, surface, dirt, light yellow tone. But the real hard stains, it doesn't touch them. This is not a stain remover. This is just a fancy detergent with heavy fragrance. After rinsing, the toilet smells amazing. Looks cleaner on the surface, but the real mineral buildup, the ring around the waterline, and the old brown patch, still there? This is the kind of product that's great for quick smell, fix, light cleaning, making the toilet look fresh on camera, but if your toilet has real stains, this powder is not your hero. It's like makeup for the toilet, good for looks, bad for actual cleaning. Now that we've tested every major chemical cleaner, it's time for the grand finale. The moment the entire video has been building up to, the truth everyone wants. Which cleaner is actually the best? Natural versus chemical, cheap versus expensive, safe versus strong. Part 8, Final Comparison and Honest Recommendation Winner. Reveal the moment the whole video has been building toward. After testing every natural cleaner, every chemical cleaner, every strong acid, every miracle powder, I finally have the results. And trust me, even I didn't expect them to be this shocking. Let's break it down. Best for light cleaning daily use. If your toilet has light yellowing, mild dust, no deep stains, just needs to look fresh, then the winners are dishwashing liquid plus hot water. Surprisingly effective. Cheap, safe, easy, no damage. Makes the bowl smooth and shiny. Toothpaste for smell and shine spots. Not a deep cleaner, but amazing for whitening specific areas. Natural items like baking soda, lemon, vinegar, good for deodorizing, but not enough for real cleaning. Best for medium stains, regular dirty toilets. This is where real cleaners start to matter. Harpic Toilet Duck, Mr. Muscle Gel. Reliable, removes yellow rings, clears urine smell. Safest chemical option. Good thickness, sticks to the bowl. These are perfect for weekly cleaning. Runner-up. Vim Gel / Dettol Liquid, more of a disinfectant than a stain remover. Good smell, good hygiene, Okay, cleaning. Best for heavy stains, hard water, mineral, old brown marks. This is the battle people really want to know about. Here is the honest truth. Bleach-based cleaners, Clorox Domex, amazing whitening, remove smell instantly. Clears soft stains but can't remove hard mineral buildup. Works only on the top layer. Dangerous fumes indoors, great for whitening. Not great for removing stone-like stains. Ultra-strong cleaning for stains that nothing removed. The king. The monster, the nuclear option. Thick local acid cleaner. This thing destroyed stains in seconds. The hard brown lines disappeared. The edges became white again. The toilet looked almost new, but highly dangerous. Can damage ceramic fumes, can burn nose eyes. Never use regularly. Wear gloves always. This cleaner is like fire. Useful, but only when there's no other option. Most overrated product, TikTok miracle, toilet powder looks dramatic, creates foam, smells great, cleans surface level dirt but deep stains. Zero effect. This one is for show, not real cleaning. Final verdict. The real winners. Best all round, cleaner safe. Plus, strong Harpic toilet duck. Per Mr. Muscle Gel. Perfect balance of power, safety, and value. Best for extreme stains. Thick acid cleaner, use only once in a while. Best smell plus daily freshness. Dishwashing liquid plus hot water. Best budget natural option. Baking soda plus dish soap plus hot water combo. Not magic but works decently. So after testing 16 cleaners, from lemons to acids, from baking soda to bleach, from viral powders to strong gels, here's the honest truth. There is no one perfect cleaner. There is only the right cleaner for the right problem. Light stains. Use something safe. Medium stains. Use a strong gel. Heavy stains. Use acid carefully. Bad smell. Use dish soap. Foam drama. Use TikTok powder for fun. The real skill is knowing what your toilet needs.